Hello, moms. Happy Sunday. Attend kami ng ano ba tawag din anak ko?
First Mass.
Hindi first, last mass daw. Last mass.
People first Sunday.
Hindi. Ang sasabi ko yung schedule, anak. Yeah, first Sunday ngayon. Tama si Khalil. Oo, Jebs. Ayan. Umuulan kanina. Sabi ko baka hindi kami makakasimba kasi lakas ng ulan. May buti at nag-ano siya. Tumigil. Pero nagdala ako ng jacket kasi paglabas namin madilim na yan, sure, for sure. Nangangala yung aking kamay. Yung si Bunso. Ginaw na ginaw. Yung isa naman naka-t-shirt lang bagong ligo. Yun o. Naka-t-shirt lang. Ito lang ang katabi ko. Ginaw na ginaw. Ayan o. Naka-hood pa si Bunso. June na. Ang bilis ng araw. 1 month na lang. Pasokan na ni Bunso. Enrollment yan ng June 5. Malamig nga. Well, malamig ah. Naka long sleeve ako. Giniginaw na ako. And mams, malapit na kami. Dito na kami sa Don Bosco. Yan, lapit na kami mams. Nag-jacket ako kasi gininaw ako. Bigla akong gininaw. Mahangin. Oo nga eh. Pero okay na yan, Mary Lings. Sa taas tayo. O doon. Sa taas kami, ma'am siya. Saan harapan? Mukhang di na.
Two men dressed in white garments stood beside them. They said, "Men of Galilee, why are you standing there looking over all people? Christ, the Father of glory, give you a spirit of wisdom and revelation, resulting in knowledge of Him. May the eyes of your hearts be enlightened, that you may know what is the hope that belongs to this hope. What are the riches?
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you.
Jesus said to his disciples, "Thus it is written that the Christ will suffer and rise from the dead on the third day, and that repentance for the forgiveness of sins will be preached in his name to all the nations, beginning from Jerusalem. You are witnesses of these things, and behold, I am sending the promise of my Father upon you, but stay in the city until you are clothed with power from on high." Then he led them out as far as Bethany, raised his hands and blessed them. As he blessed them, he parted from them and was taken. Bow down with the blessed, announce the gospel of the Lord.
Pwede yung namin. Ano sa
Saan? Yung nasa harapan, may hawak ng cross?
dito.
Sino ni? Sino nga? Parang committed yung daan. Nagkaroon ng readings.
Ay, kiniyagan ko.
Oo, no? Ay, hagdan ba dati? Hindi, diretso lang. Yung nagkaroon na ng hagdan. Ayan, mamish, pauwi na kami. Tapos na ang mas. Binago na nila tong ng mga bata dito daanan. Mamish, dati diretso lang to, walang hagdan. Tapos may railings na. Maganda to para sa mga bata. Pero ito madulas ito, oh. Ba't ganito to? Sana ito diretso hagdan na nila. Bakit O kaya yung parang ginaspangan. Ayan, medyo maliwanag pa. Daan kami sa gulayan.